In this video, we compare trigonometric tangent against the complex hyperbolic tangent. We begin with the values of W. So data validation, list of items, 0.6 to 1.4. We begin with 0.6. Now we continue with the data set of the trigonometric tangent. So array formula, tangent of W times X. It's W times X. And we continue with the hyperbolic, complex hyperbolic tangent. So starting with the complex number. So array formula, complex. That is 0 plus Wxi. So 0, comma, Wx. And we continue with the IMTANH, so or the complex hyperbolic tangent. So IMTANH, complex hyperbolic tangent. And we want the imaginary part because this is the imaginary part. So this will be imaginary. And we'll chart this. Insert chart. And we use scatter chart and show the trend line. Series, the trend line, the type polynomial, the degree tenth. For the label, use the equation. And for the legend, position at the left. We don't need a title. We already have the equation as label. And we continue with the values of W. We can now change the values of W. So we arrange this to show the values of W. So change the value of W to 0.8. So our blue has changed. We can also change the value of 0.8 to the complex hyperbolic tangent. Change this to 1.0. That's the trigonometric tangent. We can do the same thing to the complex hyperbolic tangent. Now they're the same. Change W to 1.2. We can do the same thing to the complex hyperbolic tangent. Trigonometric tangents W, change it to 1.4. We can do the same thing for the complex hyperbolic tangent. They're the same. So this completes the use of the functions tangent, tan, IMTANH or complex hyperbolic tangent, of the complex plane, or using also the functions of array formula and the imaginary function.